Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Hello everyone. Welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem on exponents which appeared in CAT 2019. So let's see what is the problem saying here. So if you can see it here carefully, it is square root of 2 raised to 19, 3 raised to 4, 4 raised to 2, 9 raised to m, 8 raised to n, 3 raised to n, 16 raised to m, power 4, square root of power 4 raised to 64. So that's what you get it here. Now if you carefully examine all this, all that you can see here is a power of 2 and a power of 3. Power of 2, power of 3, power of 2, power of 3, power of 2, power of 2 and then power of 2, right? So all that you will have to do is convert everything in terms of 2 and 3, okay, because every number here is a power of 2 or a power of 3, and then we finally compare the LHS and the RHS and we see to it as to what is the value of m that we can get from this. Okay, so let's start methodically by converting each one of them to the power of 2 and 3. So how will I write this now? How will I write this LHS part? So I can write this as 2 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, raised to what? The whole is raised to 19. So this is raised to 19 into this is 3 raised to 4. So let's just keep it like that, 3 raised to 4. This could be written as 2 raised to 2. 4 is could be written as 2 raised to 2 raised to 2. So this additional power here, and then the 19 is what I put it in red. So what next? This is 9 raised to m. This is 3 raised to 2 raised to m. Okay, I can write it out in this way. Similarly, I can write this 8 as 2 raised to 3 raised to what? 2 raised to 3 raised to n. So that's what I can make from this. Okay, and finally I'll write this as, now this whole thing is equal to what? 3 raised to n, correct, into this is what? 16. So 2 raised to 4. Okay, 2 raised to 4 raised to m, right, into what? This is 64. So what is 64? 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 raised to what? Raised to 1 by 4. Okay, because this is power 4 here. It's power 4 here. Okay, that's it. All that I could have done to convert it in the power of 2 and 3, I had already done it. Okay, now let's compare to reach to the answer. So how can I write this now? 2 raised to 19 by 2. Okay, and what will I do next? Let's just combine all the 2's right now. 2 raised to 19 by 2 plus 4. Okay, as you know, a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n, right? That's what I'm doing it here. So this is 1, 2. So this is 2 raised to 19 by 2. This is 2 raised to 4. So 19 by 2 plus 4. A raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n, and so is there a 2 raised to 3. So if I put into a raised to p, this will be equal to m plus n plus p, right? So that's what I'm doing here as well. So I'll write this as now plus of what? 3n. Okay, so everything that I could have done with my LHS 2, I'm already done with this. So let's compare now this could be written as 3 raised to 4 plus what? 2m. 4 plus 2m. Okay, because now I'm combining this 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2m. So I got again I applied this simple formula of a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. Now compare this whole thing is equal to what? Let's put the 2 here together. So this becomes 2 raised to 6 by 4 is what? 3 by 2. So this is 2 raised to 3 by 2 here. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 plus what? 4m plus 4m. So let's just keep it like this. This is plus of 4m. Okay, plus of 4m. Again applied the same formula, which is this, into the whole thing is into 3 raised to n. Okay, so that's the maximum that I can get from all this. Now how should I start with this? How should I compare this? Ideally you can just compare this with this now. Okay, this entire thing 4 plus 2m will be equal to n, right? This 4 plus 2m will be equal to n, and this entire thing will be equal to this, correct? Okay, so that's how simple it is. Now I can just compare. This is a 2. Okay, so this is also a 2. This is a 3 and this is also a 3, right? So ideally what can I say now? What can I say from this? The indices will be equal. 19 by 2 plus 4 plus 3n should be equal to 3 by 2 plus 4m. Okay, this is what I compared their indices, and if I compare the indices of this, 4 plus 2m is equals to n, where I am comparing just this with this. Okay, again laws of indices is what we are working on. So what do I get from this now? 19 minus 3 by 2. Let's put this will be equal to 19 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So 19 minus 3 by 2, this is what it will be, plus this will be equal to what? Minus 4m plus 3n. Okay, so plus 3n minus 4m. Okay, plus of 4 is equals to 0. So this becomes equal to what? 19 minus 3, 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this turns out to be 12 plus 3n minus 4m is equals to 0. Okay, that's what I get from this. Now what will I do? Now I already know the value of n. I know the value of n is equals to 4 plus 2m. So let's just substitute it here. Okay, n is equals to 4 plus 2m. So everything will be in terms of m then, and I'll reach to my answer. So this is 12 plus 3 into n. Okay, and n the entire thing is equal to what? 4 plus 2m. So instead of n, I'll write it here as 4 plus 2m. Okay, then minus 4m is equals to 0. That's what I was getting it from here. Okay, now solve and reach to the answer. So this is 12 plus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 3 into 2 is 6m minus 4m is equals to 0. Okay, so this is 6m minus 4m is 2m. 2m plus 24. 2m plus 24 is equals to 0. So finally I get 2m is equals to minus of 24 and m is equals to minus of 12, and that is my final answer to this. Okay, m is equals to minus 12 is my answer to this. So option number C. So all that you require for this problem is basic understanding of laws of indices and just methodically solving this problem, because as soon as I understand it's about the power of 2 and the power of 3. So get the power of 2 and 3 on the LHS and RHS, compare them with the laws of indices and reach to the final answer to this question. So very straightforward problem that was asked on exponents.